Ilang gibuhat diri guys sa iyang amigo guys. Kay ibutang diri ang boat. So hindi pa tapos guys. So lagyan pa ng ceiling. Babalik pa yung ano. Ito yung boat. Shade siya sa boat. Ito yun. Ilagay yun doon. Para may silungan yung boat. What are you doing? Can I film? What are you doing?
What?
Just doing some...
Making a noise. I'm gonna get into this. Fix it up. I'm trying to work out a design.
What is this?
Well, I don't know what it is, but I'm
You
trying
can
to
say
work out a
something about it.
design for it.
A design.
Mm.
It's like a bonsai tree, but it's a
I
wood.
don't know. I gotta fix it
Eh?
up. Yeah. Gotta fix it up.
How you made it?
I didn't make it. That's how.
Oh
but
yeah,
I'm
the style,
trying
the design.
to make a design out of it.
Alright. It's artistic, guys.
Nah.
It's another machine. And my husband also like his hobby painting, guys. Like this one, I bought it to him for his painting. Yeah, you have some painting. And that one is nice. And this one, and this is the paintings that he have. He loves painting. He loves art, his hobby. And there's really a lot. He paint a lot. He made this, guys. See this one? It's so beautiful. I like it. And you can put jewelry in here. And it's very light. Ganda niya, oh. It's his hobby. Ganda nito, guys. Meron din pen holder. It's made of good wood. It's very nice. Look. Ang ganda. That's why I said to my husband, can I have this? He said, okay, that's yours.
Oh.
At guys, ito, mayroon tayong ano dito. Sobra kahapon sa work. Yung mga dahon ng laurel. Fresco to, guys, galing sa farm. Fresh to. Pinipili ito yung mga walang damage. So libre lang sa amin kasi doon kami nabuhi, guys. Binibigay ko nga to sa binibigyan ko yung friend. Okay, thank you for watching. Magsampay pa kasi ako, guys. Ayun o, ang isasampay na mga damit kasi good. Nice weather today. Look at the sky. It's blue. Beautiful. Sunny, cloudy weather. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.